Lifeboat and Davit testing are critical components of maritime safety, ensuring that we are prepared for emergencies at sea. Today, we'll delve into the essential weekly and monthly procedures for lifeboat and Davit testing, all in compliance with SOLAS regulations. Let's start with the weekly checks. Every week, it's imperative to inspect the lifeboats and davits for any signs of wear or damage. Begin by visually examining the lifeboat for any structural issues. Look for cracks, corrosion, or any other signs of deterioration. Next, check the release mechanisms and ensure they operate smoothly. This includes testing the hooks and ensuring they engage and disengage properly. Don't forget to inspect the lifeboat's equipment. This includes checking the emergency supplies such as flares, first aid kits, and communication devices. Ensure that everything is in working order and that the supplies are fully stocked. It's also essential to check the buoyancy and drainage systems. Ensure that the lifeboat is free of water and that the drainage holes are clear. Now, let's move on to the monthly lowering drill. This drill is crucial for familiarizing the crew with the lifeboat operation and ensuring that everyone knows their roles in an emergency. Start by assembling the crew and conducting a briefing on the drill procedures. Safety is paramount, so make sure everyone is wearing their personal flotation devices. Once everyone is briefed, proceed to lower the lifeboat into the water. This involves testing the davit's lowering mechanism. Ensure that the davit arms are functioning correctly and that the lifeboat descends smoothly. Once in the water, conduct a brief operational check of the lifeboat's systems, including the engine and steering. After the drill, it's important to recover the lifeboat. Raise it back to the embarkation deck, ensuring that the davit's hoisting mechanism is functioning correctly. Once the lifeboat is secured, conduct a debriefing with the crew to discuss any issues that arose during the drill and how they can be addressed in the future. Now, let's summarize the SOLAS requirements. According to SOLAS regulations, lifeboats must be inspected weekly, and a lowering drill must be conducted monthly. These checks are not just regulatory, they are vital for ensuring the safety of everyone on board. Regular training and drills help to build confidence and competence among the crew, which can make all the difference in an emergency situation. In conclusion, adhering to these weekly and monthly procedures for lifeboat and davit testing is essential for maritime safety. By conducting thorough inspections and regular drills, we ensure that we are prepared for any situation that may arise at sea. Remember, safety is a shared responsibility, and it starts with each one of us. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and make safety your priority.